this bike means a lot. So this is my 97 Honda Magna VF750. Now it's far from perfect, but that's what we're here to do, right? So here's everything that I've done to it so far.
I gave the beast a fresh set of shoes, rocking a Michelin Pilot Street 2 up front and a Shinko in the rear. Finding a matching set for this bike was not easy, so we didn't. While I was at it, I upgraded the chain and sprocket kit. The old one was definitely showing its age, as you can see from the picture, but the real transformation came from a full carb rebuild. Brand new internals, fresh spark plugs, all fluids swapped, and everything just dialed in just right. Up front, I tightened things up with new brake pads and rebuilt the forks with fresh seals and oil. And now it rides exactly as it should.
Now that that's out of the way, let me show you the good stuff. Let's get to the mods.
Alright, so this first mod requires a little bit of customization. So let's take a ride, guys, over to the workshop and get that done. Let's do it.
So this is the workshop, guys. For any of you who follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen it, but it's old school, it's dirty, but it's got everything I need. Let's jump into this first mod. First thing that's got to go for me is this front mudguard. It's cracked in a couple of different places, and honestly, it's just, for me, it's kind of ugly. I don't like it, so it's got to go. So we're going to make a fork brace for the front of the bike, because obviously we need to keep the forks tight as well. So let's do it. Alright guys, so that's the fork brace done. Just need to paint it now. So yeah, I'm just going to get in and get it painted. Let's get this thing mounted. So while the paint is drying, guys, I'm going to show you the other parts that I have to put on the bike. These are literally all bolt-on parts, so to call them mods, I mean they're mods, but like they're not, I don't have to make anything for them, so I'm literally just going to bolt them on, and I'm not going to hassle with you guys with like showing you how to put them on and stuff like that. So, but let me show you what I got. I got this cool, this is like a Temu special. I got this little canvas bag. It's actually going to go on the sissy bar of the bike. I think this is going to be pretty cool. This was an eBay find and I absolutely love it. It's from a company called Momo. I literally can't find them on Instagram, or I can't find them anywhere, but they're on eBay. And literally this is a windscreen, blacked out windscreen. I've had this for ages. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but I've been wanting to put this on one of my bikes for a while, and this seems to be the perfect bike for it. So we're going to check out how this looks. But guys, this is the piece I've been looking forward to putting on. It is super simple, but it is one of the best pieces. This is the radiator cover, and I got this from eBay as well. Actually, I lied, this is from Amazon. But this is super cool, and it has Magna written on the front of it. And you know what? I think it's going to look really, really cool on the bike. So guys, while the paint is drying, I am going to put all of these onto the bike, I'm going to then put the fork brace on, and then we're going to show you how the bike turned out. So let's jump into that. That's it for this video, guys. I'm super happy with how the bike turned out. I still have a couple of little things that I want to do to it, as always, but that's going to come up in the next few videos. Until then though, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel. And until next time, sláinte.